Thank you for your purchase of Funride Jupiter scooter. This beautiful scooter comes in attractive colors, music console, and it is foldable. This product is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You would also need a piler and a screwdriver. Main body. Batteries. To start with, take the main body and pull the handle to up straight position. It will get automatically locked to its correct position. Then open the height adjusting lock and adjust the height as per your requirement and lock it. It's time to put batteries to the music console to activate music and lights. Your beautiful, Funride Jupiter scooter is ready to use. Funride, a ride of happiness.